I'm a slow rapper. My scale tell me tales about the work before, about the shit that happened. Wanna let me know a couple things that have been through, and a couple folks that it was kin to. Whatever happened, it ended at my pad. Me and him going back and forth ain't doing bad. Hate my phone, cause it's always going off. I'm putting pressure on it, always from the green and south. Thinking like a boss. Gotta get my ends. Haters talking, may I want you in the pen. I want you fat broke. And ain't too many jackets close cause I get tote and I'll let that go. It's in and out, we stick and move, ain't got much to do. Except for make some chill with your boo. Trying to get some duckies in the bucket, steady swerve. Pass me the blunt, wanna smoke me cause I'm on the earth. But right now I serve, right now I sip and I tip. And my big bro chose to bank, rolling 60 crip. My cousin Five Deuce Hoover, do you? How you having nightmares like Freddy Krueger? Always gonna pursue you. I'm not red or blue, nothing new, you better know about that cheddar flow. Bound to let the Beretta go. And if I call my plug, better believe it, make it snow. And every time we put the jewels on, we'll glow. But that's just showcasing, putting it in the whole face. You know that I call up some folks to stuff the whole place. And problems just won't go away. Cause me, I have to beat the case, and me, I have to show the case. For them bitch niggas, trying to get my ducats, man. Swerving in my bucket, man. My money, they ain't touching, man. It's just me and mine, doing fine. Laid back, I'm drinking liquor instead of wine. Big glasses, showing asses, no down passes, just mashing every day. Shit, trying to get it packed.